3E Accounting, your trusted partner for business success in Singapore. Our Nominee Director Services are designed to help your business meet regulatory requirements while maintaining operational flexibility. Under Singapore law, every company must have at least one local director. 3E Accounting ensures compliance through our Nominee Director Services. Benefit from compliance, reduced risk, and business continuity with 3E Accounting's Nominee Director Services. Our team of professionals has the expertise to guide your business towards success. Our seamless process begins with understanding your needs and ends with providing comprehensive nominee director support. Meet John, a foreign entrepreneur who used 3E Accounting's Nominee Director Services to successfully set up his business in Singapore. Confidentiality and compliance are our top priorities. Your business information is safe with us. In addition to Nominee Director Services, we offer a comprehensive suite of services to support your business growth. Partner with 3E Accounting for your nominee director needs. Contact us today to start your journey towards business success in Singapore.